Incisive eloquence whisper nectar drops. A teen answers incisive eloquence whisper, neither before nor after ascetic ever answer. The feeble voice in dark cave melts deep forest, permeate confluence of the Narmada flows west. Rocks still the lyrics reflect eternal truth unraveling. Lost green foliage flower in blossom vibe smiling. Transcend in affluence vibrations hymns in bloom. Blue as ocean river metaphor mysterious gloom. Waves in ripples key source humanity assimilate. Wisdom of secret and visage time imprint articulate. The creator most mystic invisible human look, suspicion, doubt, question, ideas flow low a brook. Desire, hope, aspiration, lust, ego, sever so sweet, conscience in agents notice pain, sorrow the discreet. Ignorance, dark life leads disease, death often. A child once whisper, nectar drops slimy well glisten. Tricky mind, blind king rules the human souls. A slave puzzles inside obscure, opaque, incisive enclave. Over the decades, the divine spirit roam past, preach explicit the truth crystal clear, everlast. Length, breadth, ancient landscape, tender raised tree, four foundations of faith, disciples initiate and sweep. Snow-clad Himalayas, a journey scripted monastery, glowing hymns and praying divine reflect on history. Such a life invaluable for a people ancient root, early dawn to dusk sing, purify the mind to travel by foot. A time incarnation saw dawn of a confusion wrought, thought word variant a grace faith is fraught. Tender a mind spectrum of vision hues propagate, the citadel basin of knowledge in mist penetrates. Permeate, purify faith sacred blue waters of Ganges, the basin populous ever entries as person changes. Mind, intellect, ego reflect of inner self, five senses fail to define my soul, much beyond me expressionless. Pale ether, earth, fire, wind, water as the stuff constituent, indeed self-defined, eternal awareness, bliss, content. Love and pure consciousness, Shiva exist, only existence define, fail me with energy, the life I embrace. Matter in seven forms spherical covers five layers, five instrument of elimination, process and motion, procreation, motion. Grasping, speaking beyond the concept of definition. Indeed self exists, eternal hour bliss, love, pure consciousness, Shiva, I exist, only existent. Attributes fail, hatred, dislike, affiliation, liking, greed, delusion, pride, haughtiness of feeling, envy, jealousy, I ever possess nor properties, money, desire, liberation, chain of birth, death, entities. Law, pure consciousness, Shiva, I exist, only existent. Virtue, vice, neither define me, ever commit sins. Good deed none exist, nor happiness, sorrow, signs. Pain or pleasure, fails, touch, ever need mantras. Holy places, scriptures, ritual, sacrifice in the trash. Exclusive of a set of tried doer deeds, I am true. Law, pure consciousness, Shiva, I exist, only existent. Never possess fear, death, separation from the true self, no doubt does exist or face discrimination on birth. Neither the guru, disciple, friend, relative, I am true law, pure consciousness, Shiva, exist, only existent. I am all pervasive without attributes, form, never I possess attachment to realm or liberation, nor wishes for anything because reveals everything, everywhere, every time, ever equilibrium, law, pure consciousness, Shiva, exist, only existent. Nirvana Satakam. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Mana buddhi ahankara chittani naham, na cha stotra jiva, na cha ghrana netram, na cha vyoma bhumir, na tejo na vayu, चिदानंद रूप शिवोहं शिवोहं अहं प्राण सख्यो न वै पंचवायु न च सप्तधातु न वा पंचकोश न वा काणिपादो न चोपस्तवायु चिदानंद रूप शिवोहं शिवोहं न मे द्वेषरागो न मे लोभमोहो मदो नैव मे नैवमाश्चर्यभावो न धर्मो न चर्मो न कामो न मोक्ष चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न न मंत्रो न तीर्थं न वेदा न यज्ञम् अहं भोजनं नैव भोज्यं न भोक्ता चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभूत्वाच्च सर्वत्र संवेद्रियणम् न वा बन्धनं नैव मुक्ति न बन्ध चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न मृत्युर्न शङ्का न मे जातिभेद पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्म न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरु नैव शिष्य चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं